Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. Now I'm in Dubai, but next month, 8th and 9th, I'm planning to come to Bengaluru for a workshop. So those who are interested may subscribe to our workshop in Bengaluru, contact our office. The contact numbers are given in the description. Yesterday, the US market came under a slight profit booking and Asian markets are slightly down, and probably because of that the gift nifty indicating about 25-30 points lower opening. But however, today, not only today, for the last many days, the gift nifty has not been a good indication. Today it is all about TCS. TCS results have come, and because the expectation was too low, I think the TCS results are better than expected. I think the profit was a little bit higher. And as I told you earlier, no bad news is already a good news for the beaten down stocks. So that's why the Infosys ADR was actually higher yesterday. So Infosys ADR did not fall. Had the TCS result been bad, and people will assume that Infosys result will also be bad, so Infosys would have come under selling pressure in US. So that has not happened. So we can expect TCS to trade at least to open with some kind of a positive bias. And yesterday the TCS closed with an expectation of a maximum of 4% upside or downside move yesterday, going by the option prices. But I don't think that neither it will go up more than 4%, nor it will go down by more than 4%. I think it's going to be the case of 1 to 2%. So that's my guess. Let us see what is going to happen. So that's number one. And number two, the banking stocks. The quarterly business outlook came a few days before. The banking stocks shot up, and now they are coming under profit booking. So number one, markets are clearly consolidating since May 12. And May 12, Nifty shot up from 24,000 to 25,000 approximately. And after that, for the last 5.5 months, Nifty has been trading between 24,500 and 25,500. All are approximate figures. Okay? So this consolidation likely to continue. Only a few more good corporate results can turn the story around, and Nifty can move above 25,500. So in that case, we can expect Nifty to scale to all-time high, probably by the end of this year. So today, it's a good omen, TCS results, the first big result, corporate results started well. So we have to wait for other stocks, right? Other IT stocks will be coming during the next 1 week. And then by the end of next week, Axis Bank, ICICI Bank and HDFC Bank will be coming. US markets, though it was lower yesterday, but right now the futures are slightly higher. And today, US non-farm payroll data is very, very important data in US. But US always go by the data. But India is mostly data independent, but corporate results will have some impact. So usually the corporate results month tends to be very volatile. Say for example, one TCS result will come good, markets will go higher. Then again, Axis Bank result will come bad, markets can fall. It's not going to be in one direction. It can be on both the direction depending upon the corporate sales. So let us say if Axis Bank banking results also good, so it can move past 25,500 resistance also. The first resistance is 25,180. So yesterday Nifty closed just 1 point above the 25,180, and the next resistance is 25,500. So another thing, option sellers are banking on the time value because we don't have much time left. So this series 20 days, and out of that, as of yesterday, 12 days are over, and now we have remaining 13 days. Out of 13 days, 2 days is a public holiday. Of course, for Deepavali, then Muhurat trading for half an hour it will happen. But if you leave that, so there are only 11 more trading sessions left. So the people are banking on the time value, right? So overall, as I stated earlier, so it's going to be consolidation between 24,500 and 25,200. In case if 25,200 is taken out with a good corporate sales, so then it can extend up to 25,500. So that is a picture for the time being until the end of October. So yesterday, LG Electronics, the IPO, it has got a record subscription in India, right? So the people say the valuation has been very, very good compared to the other competitors. So that shows that if the valuation is good, the people are ready to buy the stocks. But the problem in India, in most cases, the valuation is very, very high. And however, yesterday, once again, FIIs were net buyers, that too for a big money. The last 2 days, FIIs were net buyers, but not for big money. But yesterday, I think, for the first time in last 15 days, FIIs were net buyers for more than 1,000 crore. So that can also have some positive impact. So keep watching for 25,200, and if any closing above 25,200, so definitely market may head towards 25,500. So that is the expectation right now. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.